Hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. If you're new to the channel, you need to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, because we're going from A to Z. Yes, we are. So y'all, let's get to today's video. Make sure, again, you stick to the end, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. A good chill day. If you want these items, check the description box. Let's get to the video. Look what I have here. I have my pure cocoa butter. Yes, this is it, and it smells so good. Y'all, actually, it's making my mouth water. Ooh, let's talk about this cocoa butter today. This is it, just fresh out of the pack. This is my large pack of cocoa butter here that I mix in with a lot of my nice body butters. But what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and melt down this in the microwave and see what it looks like then. And then we're gonna talk in detail about cocoa butter. If you're ready for it today, y'all, if you're new, hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload. And if you are already one of my beautiful babes, go ahead and drop a like on the video. Let me heat this up and I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, beautiful babes, I melted it down somewhat. I love to use a double boiler when I'm melting my cocoa butter because I don't want it to lose its wonderful nutrients in it by microwaving it too long. But this is what it looks like melted down. Of course, you can see in the bottom of the bowl there how clear it actually gets. It's really kind of clear there. And I did go ahead and put some on my hands so they're nice and glossy. But let's talk about cocoa butter and what it does for the skin, its great benefits and uses. Okay, I just want to know though, really, why don't we ever talk about cocoa butter? Huh? Look, why should you use natural, raw, unrefined cocoa butter? Let me give you the truth on it, okay? This is the truth. It's always found in some of the most amazing products you use. So maybe we don't feel the need to use it all by itself, but we are going to talk about using natural, raw, unrefined cocoa butter today. The truth. Y'all, cocoa butter is extracted from the cacao bean and has a rich and chocolate aroma. Why not use something that smells good and sweet like that, huh? Cocoa butter is highly stable and resistant to oxidation due to its naturally occurring level of antioxidants and vitamin E. Cocoa butter is also a natural emollient, a moisturizer packed with short-chain fatty acids, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that can nourish your skin and the skin on your scalp, helping with general health of your follicles and the beautification of your skin. Cocoa butter melts at skin temperature, so it can actually be used as its own moisturizer, though it is particularly popular as an ingredient in making skincare products such as whipped body butters, balms, creams, lotion bars, and so much more. And you know what? It is a vegan butter. Yes, it is. Cocoa butter is a great source of antioxidants which help combat free radicals and help save your skin. It can improve skin tone and elasticity, decrease present stretch marks, and help prevent future ones. Now, this is something special. Y'all need to be getting y'all some cocoa butter. And not only that, the fatty acids of cocoa butter are beneficial for the body and aid in neutralizing free radicals in the skin. That means it's rich in antioxidants, as I've mentioned before. The antioxidant benefits of cocoa butter protect the skin from environmental and external pressure that lead to irritation or damage to the skin. Cocoa butter is historically used for dry skin relief and maintain the elasticity of the skin. as it is rich, of course, in vitamin E. Now, cocoa butter is also rich in natural plant compounds called phytochemicals. These substances may improve blood flow to the skin and slow skin aging by protecting against damage from the sun's harmful UV rays. Another common use of cocoa butter is to smooth scars, wrinkles, and other marks on the skin. And y'all, the smell, that chocolatey smell just gets me. But let me tell you what you can use it for. Now, we all talked about it. Again, most people use it in their DIYs. Homemade body butters, soaps, lotions, creams, and even deodorants. It is great for stretch marks. It's wonderful in smoothing wrinkles. It is superbly divine for taking care of eczema and dermatitis. And if you have chapped lips, honey, get you some cocoa butter. If you have scars, here we go. Cocoa butter is it. Now, we're kind of past in the dirty South most of the winter. Okay, but guess what? If you're still experiencing the winter blues, or if your skin is still dry going into the spring weather, you can use some cocoa butter for your dry skin. It's great for the hair as well. The skin, we already talked about it. Skin moisturizer, it is. It's a skin revitalizer. Yes, it is. And for those of you who have those sunburns that probably went to a tropical island before they said, stop flying. Okay, cocoa butter is great to use for sunburns. Cocoa butter is solid at room temperature and will melt to the touch of your fingertips, and it will naturally soak into your skin. All the links are below for you to pick up your organic cocoa butter today. My favorite one is by Mary Tyler Naturals, raw, non-deodorized, rich in antioxidants. Yes, it is. Mary Tyler Naturals is the one I have listed below, and that is my Amazon affiliate link in case you wanted to know. Y'all, not only that, at the end of this video, you'll find 3 of my favorite cocoa butter recipes, and I'm sharing those with you today. So enjoy those, please. Make one tonight if you got some cocoa butter at home, or if not, use the link, order you some cocoa butter and start whipping it up. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I certainly do appreciate you coming back time after time after time. If you want to know the super blend that I'm using right now in my Simply Earth diffuser, just check the description box for the recipe to detox your air, purify your air. Absolutely. Beautiful babes, hey, y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay together, and show your loved ones you love them. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please share your girl with your world. I'll see y'all on the next one. It's right over there.